Here we go. We have a question, square root of a number. We have given an integer n and we have to find the square root of n. Suppose n is 4, so the square root is 2. If n is 5, so 5 is not a perfect square, so we have to return the floor value of 5. The answer is 2 in this case. So the question seems simple and the answer is this. We will use the pre-built function, but in the interview, interviewer might say that you are not allowed to use pre-built functions. So let's solve it without using the pre-built functions. We have n as 7. So we have 7 values n as 7. L points to 1 and R points to n. We will apply binary search. We find the middle value. Middle is 4. So if we multiply 4 with 4, we will check is the middle value our answer. In this case, it is 16, so it is greater than 7. Means the value present is on the left hand side. 4 is not the answer. So we update our R to mid minus 1. Then find your middle value. Mid is 2. So if you multiply 2 with 2, the answer is 4, which is less than 7. So this might be the answer because we have to find the floor value. So this might be our answer. We have a variable answer. Initially, its value can be anything, but now its value is 2. 2 is our answer. So we have to find the closest floor value. So we will update our L to mid plus 1. We have 3. So 3 cross 3 is 9, which is greater than 7. So this is not the answer. We have a answer on the left hand side. Middle value is 3. So R is now points to middle minus 1. So now we have a while loop from L. We have a while loop which is L less than or equal to R. In this case, we will not go inside the while loop. So we have an answer as 2. Suppose n is 17. So L points to 1, R points to 17. Middle value is 18 by 2, which is 9. So check, is 9 the answer? 9 cross 9, which is 49. 49 is greater than 17. So it is not the answer. So answer is present on the left hand side. So we will update our R value to middle minus 1. So R value points to 8. Now middle value is 8 plus 1, 9. 9 by 2 is 4. So is 4 our answer? 4 cross 4, 16. 16 is less than 17. So this might be our answer. So our answer is now having 4. So we will look for the greater value. Update your L to mid plus 1. L points to 5. So 5 plus 8, 13. 13 by 2 is 6. Is 6 our answer? 6 cross 6, 36. 36 is greater than 17. So it is not our answer. So we will look for less values. Lesser value. So 6 is not our answer. So we have a value as 5. So check. Is it 5? So middle value is 5 now. So 25 is greater than 17. It is also not our answer. So we will look for lesser values. R points to 4. Now we exit our while loop. Answer is 4. So that's how we will solve this question. Let's code this. First we have L points to 1 and R points to n. Then we have answer. Answer value, you can give it anything. So I am giving 1. So why not we are starting from n by 2? Because n might be 1. So if your n is 1, if you do 1 by 2, it is 0. So this might run. So we will check it afterwards. Then you have to find your middle value. This is your value. So if this value is equal to n, means middle is our answer. Else if the value is greater, so we have to look into the left hand side. Else so this value is smaller, so this might be our answer, and we have to look in the right hand side. Next we will return our answer. So let's submit this. And if you change n r to n by 2, let's submit it now. Yes, it will submit fine. So we have decreased our range from n to n by 2. So we are doing binary search. Its complexity is log n and space complexity is order of 1. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section. And thank you all for watching.